Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart thermometers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Govee Wi-Fi Hygrometer Thermometer Sensor 3-pack. If you're looking for a solution to monitor multiple rooms or areas, this 3-pack is an ideal choice. These compact sensors are designed for versatility, fitting snugly into spaces like potted plants, greenhouses, or even reptile tanks. The sensors work seamlessly with the Govee app, offering real-time temperature and humidity readings from anywhere via Wi-Fi. However, keep in mind that it doesn't support 5G Wi-Fi. What sets this product apart is its Swiss-made sensor technology, providing exceptional accuracy with a temperature variance of plus/minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and a humidity range of 0% to 99% RH. You'll also love the alert function, which notifies you instantly when readings fall outside your preset range. This is especially useful for nurseries, wine cellars, or greenhouses where stable conditions are essential. The app also gives you access to 20-day data graphs and allows you to export up to 2 years of historical data. The build quality is solid, and the sensors are small enough to be unobtrusive. However, the lack of 5G Wi-Fi compatibility and the need for AAA batteries might be drawbacks for some. Overall, this is a great choice for users who want multi-room monitoring on a budget. Pros include its multi-sensor setup and app functionality, but the lack of 5G compatibility is a con to consider. Coming in at number 4 is the Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer with dual probes from RUUO. This thermometer is perfect for home chefs and grill masters who want precision in their cooking. The dual probes allow you to monitor 2 dishes simultaneously, ensuring that both are cooked perfectly. The ultra-thin design of the probes is a standout feature, as it minimizes the impact on the integrity and juices of the meat. Performance-wise, this thermometer supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, giving you a range of up to 200 feet. This means you can monitor your cooking remotely, whether you're in the next room or out in the yard. The device also offers real-time temperature updates and preset stable temperatures for a variety of meats, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, the fast-charging feature is a game-changer, offering over 35 hours of use on a 20-minute charge. However, the RUUO thermometer is more specialized for cooking, so it lacks the versatility of other options on this list. It's also a bit pricier, but for dedicated cooks, the precision and convenience it offers make it worth the investment. Pros include its dual probe system and long battery life, while its limited use cases might be a con for some users. At number 3, we have the Govee Hygrometer Thermometer H5075. This compact and affordable device is perfect for users who need a reliable thermometer for indoor use. The H5075 features a bright 3-inch LCD screen with large, easy-to-read numbers alongside comfort indicators to help you determine whether your space is too dry, too humid, or just right. One of the standout features is its high accuracy, with temperature measurements accurate to plus/minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity to plus/minus 3% RH. It refreshes data every 2 seconds, ensuring you always have up-to-date information. The companion app allows you to monitor conditions remotely via Bluetooth within a 164-foot range. You can also set notification alerts for when the temperature or humidity exceeds your preset ranges. Additionally, the app provides a 20-day data graph and allows you to export up to 2 years of data for deeper analysis. While the Bluetooth range is somewhat limited compared to other models, and it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, the H5075 is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized spaces like bedrooms, nurseries, or greenhouses. Pros include its affordability and high accuracy, while the limited range and lack of Wi-Fi are potential cons. In second place, we have the Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. This device is designed for serious cooks who demand precision and reliability. Its standout feature is the smart display base, which allows you to set and monitor temperatures directly on the device without needing an app. This is great for those who prefer a straightforward, app-free experience. The ThermoMaven uses advanced sub-1G technology, offering an impressive range of up to 3,000 feet unobstructed or 700 feet in obstructed areas. Its NIST-certified accuracy of plus-minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. The probe can withstand temperatures up to 932 Fahrenheit and is dishwasher safe, making it ideal for grilling, smoking, or roasting. For those who prefer app control, the device also supports Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring. The build quality is exceptional, and the device includes a comprehensive 18-month warranty. However, its higher price point and specialized focus on cooking might make it less appealing for general-purpose use. Pros include its unmatched range and precision, while its higher cost and limited versatility are potential drawbacks. Finally, taking the top spot is the ThermoPro Hygrometer Thermometer for House TP350. This all-in-one device is perfect for users who want a versatile, accurate, and feature-rich thermometer. With Bluetooth connectivity up to 260 feet, it offers one of the longest ranges in its category. The ThermoPro app is user-friendly and doesn't require registration, ensuring your privacy is protected. The TP350 excels in accuracy. With a temperature variance of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity accuracy of plus or minus 2% RH, it refreshes data every 10 seconds, providing real-time insights into your environment. The device also features a backlit display for easy reading in low light and a comfort indicator via a smiley face icon. Its data storage and export function allow you to analyze up to 2 years of environmental data, making it ideal for greenhouses, baby rooms, or even cigar humidors. What sets this thermometer apart is its combination of performance, design, and price. While it requires AAA batteries, these are included in the package. Pros include its long Bluetooth range, high accuracy, and data export capabilities, while its reliance on batteries might be a con for some users. Overall, the ThermoPro TP350 is a well-rounded choice for almost any situation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.